on our children. This year, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week start off with that Gullah Geechee Family Day on Centennial Island. Oh, great God, it bring out the family from all through the Gullah Geechee Nation for Giant Week. Oh, right there on the green. Like our ancestors used to shout there over that 4th of July there and things like that there, right up on this island. Oh, amongst these, you see all I need the Gullah Geechee Nation. Jacksonville, North Carolina, down to Jacksonville, Florida. The family circle together. Oh, the children, if you ain't been did it. Oh, you miss a shouting time with all the weed. Oh, the bullet we spirit and thing. Oh, you bring together all the family. Let them know the madaba not did it. Holy Queen of oh, that we know say. We be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Oh, on the children, you know you hear it. Let Hunter think free, Hunter be free. So this year, the who we be, one nation, one Gullah Geechee family, one flag, one land, one stand that we can take as all of we let the world know we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. This year the Queen quit, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, saying thank you God. We have to shout for this your family day. Oh, this the blessing and more kind for we along the way. Work together, children. Don't you get weary.